Moving to a new home is one of the most exciting things to happen to you. Ensure your pets love it too. Confirm it has the space they want and need. Road trips can be rough. Help them get acclimated to the crate or car before the trip. Pet-proof your new home so they stay far away from danger. No stray wires, poisonous plants, and absolutely no unguarded windows. Keep all their amenities within reach because everyone deserves some luxury. Let them explore the new place once they get comfortable. We're sure your furry friend will love it. SunWest Mortgage makes your home buying journey a pawsome one. With SunWest, your true home is always within.